This is your mom Shiel, and welcome back to my channel. So what's for today? So today we are going to make one menu, a very easy menu that you guys gonna like it. Okay, so but before we proceed to our menu for today, allow me to thank you for all the viewers that watching all my videos, cooking videos, and for all the subscribers that subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much and really appreciate it. And for the friends that always leave a comment to my channel and even in the personal messenger, I really appreciate that. For today's menu, we are going to make a chicken quesadillas. So here are the ingredients of chicken quesadillas that we are going to cook for today. I have here 3 medium pieces of chicken breast. As you can see, we have a colorful sweet bell pepper. So I choose green, yellow, red, and orange. So you could use one only if you don't have 4 of these at home, as long as we have bell pepper. But these are available to my house for today. So that's why I am using these colors. But you know, if you have 1 bell pepper at home, is enough to make a chicken quesadillas. So we have onion, we have salt and pepper to taste, and then we have a shredded Monterey pepper jack cheese. And the secret ingredients, as I have told you before, I have a taco seasoning, so that we are going to put to our chicken breast before we are going to fry it. So this menu that we are going today is one of my husband and my son favorite dish that I always made. So because of the all veggies are here with the protein plus the cheese, so it's like one package in one meal. So that's why, and they love it. It's kind of like food from the heart. So let's go ahead and season our chicken with salt and pepper. Okay, one by one. So this chicken we pat and dry, we wash and pat and dry, season with salt and black pepper. It's one of my favorite seasoning. And after that, our secret ingredients, the taco seasoning. I'll go ahead and season the taco powder on our breast. After we season the chicken, so I go ahead and then put a olive oil in our pan. Then I go ahead and I'm going to fry our breast chicken, right? Okay. In frying time, we could make like 4 to 5 minutes in each side, so that the chicken is fully cooked. Look like our chicken is ready to turn, so I'll go ahead and turn our chicken. Alright, ooh la la! With a beautiful color. Yes. Yes, yes, yes. So don't you forget, 4 to 5 minutes on each side before we turn it over. All right? Now that the chicken or the breast chicken that we fry is fully cooked, so I'll go ahead and put it down in here so that we could start sauteing the rest ingredients. On the same pan that we use, so I'll go ahead and put a little bit more of oil, olive oil, and then put all our ingredients like onion and our bell pepper or sweet pepper. Ooh, that's so good. I think I like to put everything in here, so we have a lot. Let's put all together. Yes, everything. So, as I have told Ariel, we could use, if we don't have a lot of sweet pepper at home, we could use one pepper. So, but it's good to have a pepper in our chicken quesadillas. So it's like sweet taste that give it us to the chicken, like combination of the fried chicken and the sweet pepper and matching with the cheese. So you could use any kind of cheese that you like. But I choose today to use my shredded Monterey pepper jack cheese. We are going to saute this onion and sweet pepper until it becomes translucent. So now that the sweet pepper and onion is fully caramelized, so we're gonna off the stove. I'll go ahead and cut our 3 pieces of breast chicken. So I'll go ahead and dice up our breast chicken that we fry, all right? So look at our delicious chicken. Yummy, yummy. So our chicken is crunchy outside, but moistened inside. Look at that. I love the color and smells so good. So we forgot to mention earlier our tortilla pan. So we are going to use the tortilla to wrap it up our quesadillas. So now that the pan is ready, I think this is ready. So we heat it up and I think it is ready. So let's rub some butter on it. Oh, if you don't have a butter at home, you could use the regular oil, vegetable oil, or the olive oil. So but I choose the butter. So and then I go ahead and put one of the tortilla in here. All right, then I'll go ahead and put our shredded Monterey pepper jack on top. Okay, this is gonna be a yummy, yummy, delicious, nutritious chicken quesadillas. And then I'll go ahead and put chicken on top. Okay. All right, look at that. So if you think that the heat is too high, so we could lower our fire, and then after we put our cheese and the chicken, then I'll go ahead and put some of our sweet pepper onion on top. So if I forget to mention or before, so when we sauteing our sweet pepper and onion, so I'll put some of the taco powder and the black pepper to taste so that it's more delicious. Then let's get more cheese on top. Okay, and then put our, and when we press a little bit on the side, and I think this is ready to turn. Oh wow, look at that. Look at that. Okay, so I think that our quesadillas is ready. Look at that, look at the color. Transferred it to a one big plate. Yeah, wow. So here you go. Here it is. Very quick, right? Like a 15 to 20 minutes meal for today. Chicken quesadillas. So now that we are done making our chicken quesadillas, so I'll go ahead and cut it, and we are ready to taste it. Here it is. We are done making our chicken quesadillas. So I'll go ahead now and taste our delicious menu that we made today. All right, I'll go ahead and taste it. La la. Never failed to make this menu. I love it. No, like the chicken that we seasoned with taco powder. See, I don't have any secret to my cooking channel. Everything I shared it to you guys so that when you make it 100% delicious. I hope you like this video, and if you do, leave a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and don't forget, hit the notification bell so you can get informed whenever I upload video. As always, this is your Mom CL, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.